Hello, I am your host Riddhi Jain, and today we are standing at the entrance of Kalpataru Radiance. This is situated in the prime locations of Goregaon West, and this is one of the most premium projects in the Mumbai suburbs. Now let's take a look inside. From here, you are just minutes away from top-notch malls like Inorbit, Infinity, Metro Mall, schools like Vibgyor, and major railway routes or major transport routes like Goregaon Railway Station, Bangur Metro Station, Link Road, and Western Expressway. Apparently, it has started raining now, but let's continue with our tour. This Kalpataru Radiance provides ample of parking space for all the visitors and the residents of the society. Right now I'm standing in front of the A wing lobby, and let's get in and take a look inside. This lobby is extremely fancy and welcoming. As you see, the floors and the walls are made up of shiny marbles, and you can see here beautiful cluster chandelier hanging from the ceiling with these sofas, very soft and comfortable to sit on. I think it gives a very expensive and rich look to the lobby. As we walk inside, you can see Kalpataru Radiance provides total 6 lifts to every wing, so everyone has the convenience to reach to their floor. I know there is a lot of excitement to see the apartment, but before that, let me show you the amenities. Right now, I'm standing in the main area of amenities. You can see the beautiful pool behind me, and right from here, you can also see all the 4 towers of the society, Tower A, B, C, and D. Now in this amenities area, we have 2 swimming pools. One is for the adults and the other one is for the kids. Here we also have 2 clubhouses. This one is for the gym and nail spa, salon studio. And the other clubhouse is still under construction, which is going to be a banquet hall. We also have children's play area and many more world-class amenities designed to cater the need and preference of every single person living here. Now let's move on to the most awaited part of this video. Hello, welcome. So before we get inside the apartment, let me tell you that there are 6 numbers of apartments on every single floor with 6 lifts. Now let's get inside and see what we have. This is a 3 BHK show apartment. So as we enter, there is this passage area given in each apartment with this video cam where you can see people standing outside the door. Now here is a secret door. This door opens up to the servant room. But right now we are not going to take a tour of servant room. I was just showing you the door. Now as we walk inside, on my right side we have this beautiful textured wall. On my left side we have this wooden laminated wall. Here as we walk inside our living room, I want to show you this beautiful sensory smart switch. Now this switch is given in all the apartments and in all the rooms. Here you can just tap and switch on and switch off the lights. As we enter our living area, here we have beautiful L-shaped couch to sit on. It is very comfortable, made up of velvet, complemented with a coffee table. Right in front of me, we have TV unit. Now here you can sit comfortably in the evening with your loved ones and see your favorite TV shows. Now on my right hand side, we have our dining area. This dining table is made up of polished wood and the table is set with beautiful cutlery. Here we can see striking chandelier. Now let's move on to our balcony. As I walk in here, we can see this spacious balcony with an amenities view. If you are someone who loves nature and plants, you can fill up this balcony space with plants and some coffee tables. So let's take a look at the kitchen. As we enter inside towards the dining area and take a left, here we can see this beautiful glass cabinet. This stylish glass cabinet showcases elegant glassware and the cutlery, beautiful dishes. inbuilt with soft light that gives a sense of luxury to this place. Now let's move on to the heart of this house, which is kitchen. It is parted with this sliding door, and obviously you can modify the kitchen as you want when you get this apartment. Moving on to this modular kitchen, it comes with a lot of storage space. Here we also get an inbuilt stove and a chimney with the marble kitchen counter and a lot of workspace for meal preparation. It comes along with the stainless steel sink and a stylish tap. Here is the dry area with the washing machine. Moving on to one of the most favorite parts of this house, I think, is this inbuilt refrigerator. It almost looks like there's nothing here, but if you pull out this, there's a refrigerator. And if I keep my favorite snacks here, no one is ever going to eat them. Okay, now let's move on to the service area. So this room is, I really like how small and cozy vibe this room gives. Here we have a bed, and when I entered this room, I showed you this entrance. Now this is the entrance. It's very hard to open from inside, so I opened it from the outside before. Here we have an attached washroom and bathroom. Now let's move on to our bedroom number 1. As we walk inside this room features a large sofa adorned with colorful pillows. On one wall we have map mural, and on the other wall we have modern shelves for decoration. This warm light makes it perfect for relaxation and cozy atmosphere, and a sleek wardrobe completes this stylish room. Now let's move on to bedroom number 2. Before going to the bedroom number 2, here we have a common washroom. The bathroom exudes modern elegance and comfort. Its spacious layout with sleek minimalist design elements. The floors and walls are made up of marble tiles, creating a sophisticated ambience. And here we get a frameless glass and a stylish sink. Moving on to the bedroom number 2. Here you see we have a queen size bed and spacious wardrobe to keep all of your clothes. This is double door wardrobe. The lavish bedroom is designed for ultimate comfort and style. The bathroom attached to this room is equally luxurious. The walls and floor is made up of marbles with single vanity and a polished countertop with a vase sink with attached frameless mirror. Moving on to our master bedroom. As we enter this room, we are greeted with spaciousness and airy room with soft and ambient lights. Focal point of this room is this king-sized bed with decorative cushions. And here you can see we have frameless, unique styled mirror with a beautiful, unique antique lamp, I would say. Here you see there is a wooden table to keep all of your wardrobe accessories, and here we have a cupboard with a lot of storage inside it for all of your clothes and accessories. Here you can see we have this translucent curtains that allow natural light to come inside the room, and as we open this window there is a lot of breeze that enters the room. I think this is the perfect place to chill with your loved ones. Here we have attached bathroom, very stylish and gives a sense of luxury to this whole apartment. Very stylish shower that is attached in the ceiling, and this beautiful huge sink along with some storage which is made up of wooden. And if you're willing to buy the property at Kalpataru Radiance, contact Real Deal Housing. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel. All the details of the property is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching.